Hey guys, my name is Danielle and today I have a keto update. So if you guys are interested in seeing how my weekend went, and honestly guys, it didn't go that great, go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna spill some damn tea because I failed you, not gonna lie. But all right, let's just jump into it. Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Danielle and we are doing a keto weight loss update. So let's do a recap. Last week I said we're gonna do an experiment. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna do strict keto this week, and we're gonna try and see if it's really, you know, the hype everybody's giving it. I didn't do it. I have, you know what guys, I can give you 5 million excuses about how I had every end of school activity for my kids this week. I just didn't plan ahead. I was getting my hair done. I mean, excuses are like assholes. Everyone's got one and they all stink, right? And I just had, life happened to me this week, and I could have came on here and like BS you guys and been like, it doesn't work, don't even waste your time. I didn't even really give it my all. I only made it to the gym one time this week. Like, everything in life happened. I wasn't even really, I just didn't do a good job. I didn't cheat, but I didn't even mentally calculate my carbs. I just kind of ate. I made sure it was low carb, made sure it was higher fat. I had my perfect, you know what, I owe a lot of my success to this perfect keto, like the MCT oil, because that stuff is so good and it keeps me full for a really long time. And yeah, so I have that every morning, and that like kickstarts my day, and then I'll eat lunch like later in the afternoon, and then, you know, have dinner, and then I'm done. And yeah, I mean, I was snacking on the Lily's chocolates, not gonna lie. I gotta be careful with that. That's definitely something I should not have in my house because they taste so damn good. I just was eating some right now, so if I have chocolate on my face, that's what it is. So I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry for not coming through with what I promised you. Like I said, it was just, I was not prepared. So I'm gonna do it on Monday. I just went to the grocery store. I got all my groceries that I need. I got everything all figured out so I can be like on my A game, get everything together and just knock it out of the park. Yeah, I mean, I feel great. I feel like I look really good. Yeah, I mentally, I'm in a really good headspace. It was just, I kind of feel like I failed you guys, and I'm really, really sorry about that. But I'm gonna be better, and this week I am gonna bring that to you. I'm gonna be on my game 100%. It's just with life and everything, it's just life. Life happens. Life happens, guys. I mean, just because you can't be super strict on yourself. I mean, I didn't give up, I didn't cheat, I didn't gorge, I didn't just go on a, like an all-out eating bender, but you know, I just, you know, I ate according to my life. I mean, like I said, I thought I did really well. It just wasn't as obsessive as I usually am. I tried doing, like when I remembered to do the counting and stuff like that, I was just getting so annoyed with it that I was like, oh, fuck it, you know, and I just kind of like threw it away, and I was like, I'll do it later, and then I just didn't. And, so, but this week I'm gonna do it. It's hard. It's really, to go from lazy keto to strict keto is really difficult because you're used to being lazy and being like, all right, there's this many carbs in here, I'm all good. Let's eat it, let's sit down, instead of like, hold on, let me get my phone out, let me calculate this. So it is a change. It's definitely a transition for me, but yeah, I'm sorry about that. You guys seen I had a meal prep video, like a full day of what's for dinner and all this stuff that went up last week. I'm gonna have my grocery haul that I picked up. I got a ton of stuff, guys. You're gonna be like super shook at all the stuff I got. And yeah, I'll share that this week, and then I don't know, probably a full day of eating also this week of strict keto, so you guys can kind of see the work it kind of goes into it. So I'm thinking Tuesday grocery haul, Thursday strict keto full day of eating, so you guys can see like I'm not crazy. Like, I feel like this is a lot of effort and a lot of work, you know. So yeah, I'm actually gonna wrap this up. We're on our way. It is Memorial Day weekend. I do want to take the time to just acknowledge all the soldiers and their families that, you know, that their families went off to fight for this wonderful world we live, wonderful country we live in, and unfortunately paid the ultimate sacrifice and did not come back. And I thank you guys so much, and you all are in my prayers, and you know, appreciate the goodness that we have around here, guys, because not every place is like where we're at, right? And yeah, so we're gonna head on out. We have a graduation party, barbecues, everything summer is in full bloom, you know, like when it's like 0 to 100 every weekend. That's gonna be us from now on. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I love you guys so much. I'm really truly sorry that I hope I didn't let any of you down. I'm gonna really work on it this week. I'm doing it, y'all gonna see, but I love you guys. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the time with your family. And if you're like me and you kind of mess up and you're like, shit, I just didn't do my best, it's okay. We always got more time, okay? Just keep trying to be 100%. That's all you can do. Just try to be at your 100. But I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.